What you're about to witness is not just a repair. It's the resurrection of a forgotten legend. A story hidden beneath layers of mud and rust. And at its heart, an unbreakable will to bring it back to life. Stay with us, as a stunning transformation is about to be unveiled. Lost to the wilderness. This machine holds secrets of a past life. The journey to recovery begins with a single, determined step, armed with tools and resolve. She prepares to face the challenge. In this remote land, every repair is a test of ingenuity. Sometimes, the path forward requires seeking help from others. In a humble workshop, skilled hands begin their work. The first task, washing away the grime of years of neglect. Here, amidst the chaos, a methodical restoration takes shape. She watches, learning and waiting for her turn. The hidden damage reveals the true extent of the decay. Slowly, the vehicle is lifted, its wounds exposed. With newfound knowledge, she takes control of the repair. Modern tools meet classic steel in a dance of renewal. One milestone is reached, but the journey is far from over. Every bolt is tightened with care and precision. This mudcake shell is more than a vehicle. It's a testament to endurance. Each turn of the wrench is a fight against time and decay. With sheer force of will, the old gives way to the new. The burden of restoration is heavy, but she carries it with grace. Slowly, with helping hands, it moves towards a new beginning. Leaving its muddy prison behind, the Jeep travels toward its rebirth. Even the smallest wounds are tended to with meticulous care. Under the steady stream of water, a hidden beauty is unveiled. As layers of dirt are washed away, the true form emerges. A moment of connection, feeling the spirit of the machine. Now, the focus shifts to the heart of the beast, the engine. She inspects the power source, searching for a spark of life. In the driver's seat, she anticipates the moment of awakening. The right tool is needed for the delicate surgery ahead. To restore its flow, the fuel system must be completely dismantled. Decades of corrosion are carefully disconnected. The old, failing fuel tank is removed to make way for the new. A thorough cleaning reveals the true state of the part. Rust and decay fight back, but perseverance prevails. A fresh coat of paint provides protection and a new identity. The process of renewal is meticulous, washing away the years. Every inch is inspected, searching for hidden flaws. But this journey of restoration is not limited to just one machine. The restored part, now ready to give new life. In this humble garage, miraculous transformations occur. The Jeep's restoration continues, each detail addressed. She delves deep into the engine's core, unafraid of the complexity. Every component is painstakingly cleaned and revived. Piece by piece, the engine is reborn from the inside out. Her focus is absolute, her mission clear. With a helping hand, the renewed fuel tank is carefully installed. A final tightening ensures a secure and lasting fit. The lifeblood of the engine is reconnected, ready to flow. Precision is key to ensuring the machine will run again. Teamwork makes the monumental task possible. Even the exhaust system receives transformative attention. But another forgotten soul waits in the wilderness. Inside, a story of decay and abandonment. This new challenge, a derelict red car, calls for her skills. Its rusty shell seems to have given up hope. She assesses the damage, her mind already planning the revival. The first obstacle is a broken wheel, a symbol of its immobility. With simple tools, she begins the arduous task of freeing it. Together, they work to give the forgotten car a chance to roll again. It takes their combined strength to move the dead weight. She begins the cleansing, removing the debris of a long slumber. Inside, years of neglect are cleared away by hand. A meticulous cleaning reveals the interior's hidden potential. The car is moved, ready for the next stage of its journey. But human strength alone is not enough for this challenge. An unconventional ally is called upon, a powerful water buffalo. Harnessing ancient strength, they pull the car from its resting place. Slowly but surely, the relic is towed towards its transformation. The first step is a thorough washing, erasing the past. Water purges the interior, a baptism for a new beginning. She scrubs away every last trace of its former decay. The exterior is painstakingly cleaned, revealing its true lines. Every nook and cranny is given attention. Even the undercarriage is freed from years of accumulated grime. A final rinse completes the purification process. The open trunk reveals the deep-seated rust that must be conquered. With a brush and flowing water, she battles the corrosion. The car weeps rusty tears, shedding its old, broken self. Its damaged facade tells a story of hardship. The scarred bodywork is a canvas for the coming restoration. Now in the workshop, the true deconstruction begins. Preparing to delve into the mechanical heart of the vehicle, the old, tired engine oil is drained away. She works on the front end, rebuilding it from the ground up. Fresh oil, the lifeblood of the engine, is carefully poured in. A deep dive into the engine bay to diagnose and repair. The cooling system is inspected and overhauled. In this rustic workspace, automotive artistry unfolds. The intricate web of wiring is patiently sorted and repaired. With the car lifted, the underbody receives crucial attention. The spark plugs, essential for ignition. are serviced. The entire ignition system is meticulously rebuilt. No component is too small to escape her focused efforts. The engine begins to resemble its former self, but stronger. A final, thorough inspection ensures everything is perfect. The engine's intricate core, now exposed for surgery, she approaches the complex machine with focus and confidence. Each part is carefully removed, a mechanical puzzle being solved. Beneath the grime, a story of wear and tear is revealed. In a simple red bucket, a ritual of cleansing begins. The clean, organized parts lay ready for reassembly. The process is laborious, but essential for a perfect rebuild. A moment of contemplation before the complex reassembly. With skilled hands, the engine begins to take shape once more. Her patience and precision are the keys to this transformation. She checks every connection, ensuring the flow of power. Another set of hands works on the delicate carburetor. The work continues. Driven by a passion for restoration, the revitalized camshaft assembly, ready for action. The carburetor is carefully returned to its place atop the engine. A simple piece of tape secures a wire, a small but vital detail. Collaboration ensures the complex assembly is flawless. A final polish, bringing a shine to the resurrected metal. Applying sealant, a crucial step to prevent future leaks. The engine is sealed, its restoration nearly complete. The delicate process of reassembling the cylinder head begins. Attention now turns to the car's nervous system, the wiring. She continues her work on the resurrected engine. Specialized tools are required for the intricate tasks. The air intake system is carefully dismantled for cleaning. Every piece, no matter how large or small, is removed and inspected. Inside the cabin, she tackles the hidden electrical problems. A multimeter helps her trace the flow of electricity. She patiently diagnoses the faults in the aged wiring. Even the door receives a restorative touch. Working deep inside the dashboard to fix a hidden issue. The fuse box, the electrical heart of the car, is examined. After a long day's work, the tools are put away with care. The car stands poised, lifted and ready for the final stages. A final check of the engine's many components. The reassembly process continues with focused intensity. She surveys her work, ensuring every detail is correct. The moment of truth approaches as the final checks are made. Her hard work and dedication are about to be tested. She takes her place in the driver's seat, ready to start a new chapter. With the mechanics restored, the attention turns to the interior. The battered exterior is the next canvas for her artistry. She drills with precision, preparing the body for its new look. The iconic emblem is carefully returned to its rightful place, a Chur V-iconic emblem. The rear door panel is reinstalled, bringing the interior together. In the trunk, she tackles the complex and corroded wiring. The old, faulty taillight assembly is carefully removed. Old wires are snipped and replaced, restoring the electrical flow. A successful test brings a spark of light back to the car. The repaired light is secured back into the body. The mechanical and electrical work is complete. A new phase begins. She begins the meticulous process of preparing the bodywork for paint. Every surface is cleaned and prepped for its transformation. This painstaking preparation ensures a flawless finish. Mixing body filler to smooth out the scars of the past. She masterfully applies the filler, sculpting a new surface. Each dent and imperfection is carefully addressed. The cured filler is smooth, creating a perfect canvas. Her skilled hands work to make the old bodywork look new. She steps back to admire the flawlessly prepared surface. The process of sculpting the car's new body begins. A power sander smooths the imperfections, preparing for a new skin. With practiced hands, another section is expertly smoothed. The once dented panel is now perfectly reshaped. She inspects the work, ensuring absolute perfection. As she works, nature reminds her of its unstoppable power, undeterred by the elements. She walks through mud to continue her mission. The car is wiped down one last time before its transformation. Newspapers serve as a shield, protecting the windows from paint. With a spray gun in hand, she begins to apply a vibrant new color. The once red car is reborn in a brilliant shade of yellow. She paints with a steady hand, her vision coming to life. Each coat of paint is a step further away from its derelict past. The front end receives its coat of sunshine yellow. The transformation is astonishing, a testament to her skill. The protective masking is carefully removed, unveiling the final look. Bright and bold, the car is utterly transformed. The final task is to clean the workspace after a job well done. The wheels are given a final polish, completing the look. The car stands as a symbol of hope and renewal. From a forgotten wreck to a vibrant classic, reborn from rust.
A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Constant Repair Counts for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.